This is a very good news on how to make money on Freebyz platform. And if you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please turn on the bell icon and also subscribe to this channel so that any video we upload you will be among the first people to get notification on your mobile phone, as well as any other ways you use to watch videos on YouTube. So basically we have made different videos on how you can actually make money on Freebies platform. This is not an affiliate offer and they are not paying us, so this is strictly a video on how you can actually make money online by doing micro tax. So we have made different videos on this particular platform, and we also show you how we make money on Freebiz platform as well. And so as we upload different videos on how to withdraw your earnings and how to perform tax, how to verify your Freebiz account, and how to complete a tax to make money on this platform, and also basically how this platform works. But then you can also read through on this website on how Freebiz platform works so that you'll be able to know how much you'll be able to make on this particular website. But basically what I also want you to know is the fact that this platform pay on a daily basis, and what they used to tell you is that the payments are rolling out on every Friday of the week, but that is not actually true. Although maybe they just put that one just for their purpose, but then after we have run different payments on this platform, we noticed that they did not only pay only on weekend, but also every day. They pay out every day. So let's say for instance now we try to withdraw money on this website, on this platform. So you see, withdrawal are made every Friday of the week. Only verified user can withdraw. Let me also walk you through withdrawal request so you can see the date we initiate the payment withdrawal. Okay, so paid on the 9th, on the 1st of this month, which is September, I guess. Okay, on the 1st of this month, I think the 1st of this month was basically on, let me check on the calendar. Um, calendar, I want to check on the date for the 1st of this month. Okay, I think the date was also on Friday, right? The date was also on Friday, and basically I did not remember exactly, but then I initiate a payment. I just tried to initiate a payment. I did not even notice that probably the day was on Friday, but then I want to try and make a withdrawal on this account again. So withdrawal, and also I will keep up to date if this payment will they do go through or not. So let me try to withdraw all the money in this account. But what I want you to know is that they send a payment in okay, the payment is successfully queued. So they send the payment that same day. I wasn't noticed actually. I wasn't noticed probably the day I initiate the withdrawal is still on Friday. But you know, right, that today is strictly Monday. I'm gonna publish this video on Monday, and I'm gonna update this if the payment come through today or tomorrow, or they queue the payment till Friday. So I'm gonna let you know when the payment comes in, and I'm gonna update that for you. And also, so another update about this website is the currency converter. They just added this option. So let's see what currency converter actually means. So for example, now you can see 1 naira equal to 0.13 cent. So let's say we want to convert 1000 naira, for example. Okay, so 1000 naira is $1.03. So I think that doesn't make us make that doesn't allow us to make more money, because I feel like the black market rate still fall around the same rate. So the black market rate was around 800, 900 thereabout. So for $2 now will be around, let's say, 1000. 1,800, for example. Okay, so 1,800 naira give us 2.34 dollars. So I don't think that one allows to make money, but probably if you just want to make your money in dollar currency, so probably that will make a lot of sense. But then if at least they give us a very low, probably they are giving us probably like $1 for 500 naira. I think with that, everyone should be able to make money on this website and also convert their currency to USD, and so we can make more money. But then it's all left to individuals if they are interested in converting their money from naira to dollar or from dollar to naira. It all depends on what exactly you want. So this is another point, which is login points. So the more you log in, the more you get points. But then they said not redeemed. I think the redemption is supposed to be happening automatically. So redeem points, they are still not there for me to redeem. Then on redeem point 650. So I don't see any option to redeem my point. Probably I'll send a message to the support for my redeeming option. So you can see I login point is no longer active. Okay, I haven't read this one. Login point is no longer active, but probably they have never paid me for any login point before. So maybe that one is actually left to them. Then another one is how to approve jobs. So if you literally want to hire someone on this platform and how to complete tasks. So this is a way to complete tasks on this website, which of course they also provided. And you can also talk to them if you have some question you would like to ask the workers or the support of this Freebyz platform. Another one is referrals. So there are a lot of options which of course you can explore from one section to another, just so as you can um, find it so easy to operate on the platform. But then if you have more questions, you can let me know through the comment section below. And if you haven't joined this platform, you can just click on the first link on the description of this video to join Freebies platform, and you can complete small tasks to make money on this website. So this is just a micro task, which of course you can do at your own free time, and you will definitely be able to make money on this website. But then, like I said earlier, if you have any question, you can let us know through the comment section below, and we'll try as much as possible to provide an answer to your request. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next one. Peace.